Hey everyone, this is the Toy Genie here, and today we have the vending machine storage tin from Shopkins. Let's check this out. So on the back it says it comes with 2 Shopkins, 1 storage tin, and a collector's guide. So this set doesn't come with its own blind basket, but that's okay because I'm gonna open one here. And these are sold separately. So let's open this up and see what this is all about. So there's these buttons on the front for you to select what you want from your vending machine. And then there's like a little slot here for you to put your coins. Cool. So we have a pretzel. Okay, let's pull this out real quick here. Okay, so this whole thing comes out. And you get a pretzel. This is white chocolate, yellow chocolate. Let's see what these are. So the first one that we have here is cheeky chocolate, but this cheeky chocolate is in purple and yellow versus this one is in yellow and brown. So, and this one is super cute. It has a yellow heart over her eye and also one on her back. So this is cheeky chocolate. We should call her purple cheeky chocolate. And then this one is a pretzel, so this one is called pretzel. And this one is in pink, and the one that you see here is like an orange color. So I think what it is when they make it an exclusive edition for the vending machine, they make it a different color. So I think that's really awesome. And she is winking, look at that. Let's put this vending machine together. I take this out. And we put, this is like the shelves for the vending machine. So this vending machine is super cool because it doubles as a storage tin. So these are the ones that I opened from the last time. Here you go, go in. I still think this looks like a banana split, and I'm going to insist on it until they make a banana split. Unless there is already one. I don't know if there is one. But that's a Frankfurter. And there you have it. So if you're trying to put it for display, it will fit 12. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that is just too cute. So since the vending machine doesn't come with its own blind basket, I'm gonna open a blind basket and see what we get. What do you think this is? Okay, this looks more like a Frankfurter. Doesn't look chocolate dipped anymore. So, let me get this out. That's so funny. Let's see. I think it's still a Frankfurter. So this is still a Frankfurter, but this one is in pink and not the brown that I got last time. And I don't know, is this still considered common then, if it's a different color than the one that's here? Okay, so we have that. And then we have this one. Let's see what this is. Hopefully it's not one that I have already. What is this? What does this look like? A drink? And we have an alpha soup. And this one is green, so it's rare. Yay! Let's see. And so this one is the red one with the green, with the greenish spoon. I guess this one's actually blue, but the one that they have in the picture is green. And then there's another alpha soup. So there's two different kinds. So of the four that I opened today, I think I like this one the most. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. I'm so hungry. I want some chocolate. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum yum. Ooh, ooh, more candy, more candy. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Wow, more food! Shopkins, Shopkins! Shopkins, Shopkins! I love Shopkins! Yum yum! If you like what you saw in the video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And also tap or click on the bright yellow subscribe button to subscribe. And stay tuned to see a lot more Shopkins videos right here with a Toy Genie. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be happy and keep smiling.